Welcome to our channel. If you're a Warframe fan and want to get some amazing rewards during Tennocon, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the steps to link your Twitch account and watch the event to earn Twitch drops. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Create or log into your Twitch account. If you don't already have a Twitch account, go to the Twitch website, https://www.twitch.tv, and sign up. If you already have an account, simply log in. Step 2. Link your Twitch account to Warframe 1. Visit the Warframe account management page, https://www.warframe.com, user. 2. Once logged in, navigate to the linked accounts section. 3. Find the Twitch option and click on Link Twitch Account. 4. You will be redirected to Twitch to authorize the link. Follow the prompts to complete the linking process. Step 3. Check the Tennocon schedule. Keep an eye on the official Tennocon schedule, which can usually be found on the Warframe website, https://www.warframe.com/Tennocon, or their social media channels. Note the times for each segment where drops will be available. Step 4. Watch the event on Twitch. 1. Go to the Warframe Twitch channel, https://www.twitch.tv Warframe, on the day of Tennocon. 2. Make sure you're logged into both your Twitch and Warframe accounts. 3. Watch live streams that are designated for drops. Look for streams with drops enabled in the title. Step 5. Claim your rewards. After watching for the required duration, rewards will be added to your Warframe inventory. Make sure to check your account to see what you've received. Important tips. Ensure your accounts are properly linked before the event. Watch for the full duration of the drop window to guarantee rewards. Interact with the community on Twitch to stay updated on any additional opportunities. Don't miss out on your chance to grab exclusive items. Remember to mark your calendars and enjoy the show. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.